Stay with me for just 5 minutes and I will break down the process on how you can actually start making money with AI and your smartphone. This right here is the emails I received from seller every blessed day. As you can see, you will see some digitals. You see seller a payout of 84,500. You can see a payout of 91,000 naira. You can see a seller congratulations email that I hit $10,000 in sales. Now my seller account is just 5 months old. This particular seller account I'm going to show you now is just 5 months old. Imagine yourself earning, even if it's just $1,000 every single month, if you implement what I'm going to teach you in this video. Now you can see the email. Hi Sam, you just hit $10,000 on sales, and I have multiple seller accounts, about 3 or 4 seller accounts that I'm selling what I'm going to teach you right now. So when I come back, you see 71,500, you see another 91,000, you see 84,500. You can see them. That is how it goes on and on and on. And these emails I'm showing you is just within a month, inside 1 month. You see, this is just July 22. I've not even gone down to 15th, 10th, 1, July 1st, you know. So what am I doing? I am simply selling digital products that solves painful problems that people are willing to pay for. It can be an ebook and it can be a video course. But the best part of it is that you can use AI, ChatGPT and Claude to create these simple ebooks that solves a painful problem, and you actually start making money from it. One of my students created an ebook on how to make skinny babies gain weight. That ebook is just $7. He sold about 200 copies to foreign people, foreign bodies, because the beneficial part of it is that you can sell to people around the world using seller. This particular seller you are seeing, you understand? Now let me just quickly take you to my dashboard and show you something. Now you can confirm it. You can confirm the $10,000 sales. You can confirm it. I'm on my way to $50,000 actually. Now if I come to my sales, now I'm coming to sales now, you can see that you can make money in different currencies. You understand? You can make money in different currencies. This is dollars, this is pounds, this is Ghana cedis, this is Kenya shillings, this is South African rands, this is Uganda shillings, and so on and so forth. So are you ready to learn? Are you ready to know how to use AI tools to package products, digital products, and automate the sales? Now let me tell you something very funny that a lot of you do. I know that you might have a seller account and you might have a product on it, but your ability to make money from it is what I'm going to show you now, because so many of you have these accounts and products all over, but you don't know how to earn from it. You don't know how to automate the sales. Maybe you are selling something that people don't want. There's what we call product research. You have to research the market first to know the people to know if there are buyers for that thing you want to sell before you go ahead and even create the product. Gone are the days when you create a product and start looking for buyers. Now you need to use AI to look for buyers first, then before you create a product, so that you will be sure that, okay, this thing that I'm about to create, there is a market for it. You can't just create a product anyhow. That is why most of you don't make sales. Imagine a seller account of 5 months, it's 10,000 sales. That is to show that I know what I am doing, and that is what I'm going to transfer to you. I'm going to transfer this knowledge to you so that you can start earning. You understand? So if you implement everything I'm going to be teaching you in this program, give yourself from 30 to 60 days, I believe you will achieve great milestone. You will achieve great results implementing these informations. I'm not going to talk too much. Action takers and money makers, if you are ready to start now, tap the buy now button, get this course and get started immediately. Because you are among the first set of people that will be getting on board with this update, I'm going to be giving you a discount. You understand? You will pay just 35,000 naira to get started today. After today, the price is going to increase back to 70,000. So if you are interested, all you have to do is click on the buy now button and you will be redirected. After your payment, you'll be redirected to my DM. I'll confirm your payment and we'll get started immediately. This is Sam Digitals. I'll see you inside the class.